I can't believe I haven't tried this. Like,
Yeah.
they're kind of building another place of the house, so the thing is just pumped in. I hope that sound is not irritating you guys, but we are coming to try Cardi B's hair tutorial mask, so stay tuned. And basically the state of my hair right now is very dry because almost 3 weeks completely it's just been dry, and then braids, and then ponytail. Everything is just made it worse. So, I was like, let's treat, our hair today. So, Cardi B mask. So, I'm gonna be parting my hair first into 3 sections. I actually thought with the whole egg thing, the whole mayonnaise thing is actually not gonna smell good. But it actually surprised me. Like, it doesn't smell all perfumery and all that, but the smell is pretty delicious. I swear this thing smells like butter, even though you could somehow the egg still manages to pop up a little bit. But when you smell it keenly, intensely, it smells like butter. So far, I think this thing is really doing well because even to comb my hair, I could feel my hair getting smoother. It's just easy to detangle. I think it's pretty amazing so far. I'm liking it. Oh, to think I'm even thinking about cutting my hair. Yes, I know. Anyway, guys, see, a hair has been dry and literally it was held in a ponytail. I'm just combing it ever since removing it yesterday. And this is from the back. I'm just gonna be holding it like this. So I'm just going to fast forward this part because you guys saw what I did here, so I'm doing the same thing here, okay? Oh guys, my hair's really growing. Am I seeing? Oh my god, and it's even, girl. Let me go do this one and I'll be right back, guys. See my hair. It's so dry. And there's a lot of mats still in the bowl. So I might end up putting it on my face because it has all the good stuff. Banana, olive oil, argan oil, avocado, eggs, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna put it on my face as well, so you guys can see in this video if the face and the hair is serving right. Okay guys, so I look like a ghost. I know. Anyway, so this is the hair. Let me just remove everything so you guys can see it properly. In this entire thing, Literally, this is the hair loss. Guys, is it me? But my face looks dark after applying this. But anyway, I think Cardi B had it on for like 15 minutes. This is it. And this is how my hair is looking. I mean, I'm loving it. So I'm going to go rinse it up. After rinsing it up, I'll show you guys how it looks like. And then show you guys how it looks like as well when it's dry. Guys, by the way, I'm only using Contour products, and I'm using the Contour Shea Butter and Contour Shea Butter Moisturizing Shampoo, as well as the Rinse Out Conditioner. So, stay tuned. Yes, guys, look at that. Like, literally, I have nothing in my hair. Let me just say this. I love this. I love it. It feels like I went to a salon. Literally, my hair feels like when I used to go to salon for oil treatments, and I'll come out of there feeling like I'm alive again on my hair. So like literally that's how my hair feels. Super healthy. Literally there is nothing, like no product inside, and it feels baby. You get. I'm coming to apply my products now. I'm using this hair cream, and I'm using this same Contour product, and then there's this other Contour product also. So everything just feels so good. My hair feels so healthy, and I am excited about that. So thank you, Cardi B. And if you want to try this at home, you are safe. And I'm not gonna straighten it like she did, because I don't really straighten my hair. I feel like it's a waste of time. It takes such a long time to straighten my hair, and then after I straighten it, it just literally takes like maybe 3, 4, 5 hours. 5 hours max is what I give it. Then you start seeing curls. Let me come to literally my hair. I'm so excited. It feels so healthy and bouncy. Like, see, look at that, look at that, baby. Oh gosh, I love it. I'm obsessed. So you can see how like good it looks. But anyway, this is it. This is how it looks. Because I'm about to go out, I cannot wait for you guys to like see the entire process. But maybe when I get back home, I'll remove everything so you guys can see how nice the hair looks. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Okay guys, so I went out today. I was in a hurry, so my hair is totally dry, and I'm back home. Before going to bed, I decided, let me show you guys how my hair looks. So you guys can, be sure of what you're using. This is my hair, and I am loving it, guys. I'm obsessed. I can't believe I did not try this. Like, quick do you get? Like, I don't even need to. Guys, do you feel that there's a difference when you're feeling dry hair and a healthy hair, literally? Do you hear the sound? Oh, my hair feels so silky. I love it. Ooh, baby girl. Yep. See my curls? Like, literally, it popped out my curls more. I can't believe I haven't tried this. Like, Cardi B, where you at? Girl, we got some, like, you and I need a one-on-one conversation. I cannot believe I haven't actually did this tutorial since it came out. I guess I did not really believe it. My hair was really dry, and then I was like, I need a hair mask because I'm not getting the right one for my hair. So I decided to try this tutorial for myself without even doing thinking of the video. And I'm like, why not do a video? Maybe my people might like it. So I decided to go ahead and do it. And shameless, do you get? Oh my god, I am loving this hair. Anyway, it's safe to try at home. You're very much welcome, even though all the things it's gotta be by me. This is my energy, okay? So Good night, y'all. I love you. Bye. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Ta-ta. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I mean it. Okay. Bye-bye now.